Okay, so now let's move to question 3.2, which asks, how do you retrieve the last run job from a backend? So in order for us to do this, let's go ahead and actually implement a quantum circuit and let's run it through a backend and generate some results and then try to extract those same results. So what we're going to do first is from Qiskit import quantum circuit. Okay, and then we're going to generate a simple circuit. Let's just do a quantum circuit with 1 qubit and 1 classical bit, and then let's do a Hadamard gate, and let's just measure that 1 single qubit, and let's just draw that. Okay, so we have our Hadamard measurement, and let's go ahead and run this on real hardware. So let's do the following. Let's first, as we did in the previous video, let's do from Qiskit import IBMQ, and let's do provider IBMQ, and then load our account, right? And then let's also do from Qiskit providers IBMQ import least busy, like we did in the previous video. And let's also go ahead and from Qiskit tools monitor import job monitor, and this is just for me to see how the job we're executing on real hardware is doing. So let's go ahead and run that, and as before, that takes a second to run. And let's go ahead and now define our backend as the least busy from the provider backends, and let's just print it to make sure that is a QPU with 5 qubits. So, and that's right. So now my backend is Balam, which is the least busy right now, which fortunately has 5 qubits. So now let's go ahead and create our job. So job execute. Oh, I think I forgot to import execute. So let's also do from Qiskit import execute. Okay, and now let's do job execute our quantum circuit, which is the one we had right here, and with the backend equal to the backend I just defined here. And let's do job monitor, and let's pass our job. And this is going to take a minute to run, so we'll see here that we're probably going to be placed on queue, and we have to wait until the job executes. Okay, so our job has run, so now let's plot this result. So we do from Qiskit tools visualization, we import plot histogram, and then let's do plot plot histogram, and then we do job dot results dot get counts of our quantum circuit. And sorry, I made a mistake here. This job dot result. So here are our results. And now the question was, well, how do we once this has run, how do we retrieve this again? And right now, well, we have them stored in this job, but what if we didn't? What if we reset our notebook? So one thing we can do is look at these options here, and the way you actually do it is just by going at the backend jobs and just retrieving the positional 0. That will give you the latest one you've run. So if we go here and let's call that, let's say job 2 backend, and then jobs, and let's retrieve positional 0. If we go here and just try to plot this again, but replace this with job 2, here we see that we can retrieve the exact same results we had run. And that's it.